Imagine stepping into your own private spa. But wait, who's this? Hi there, I'm so glad you're here with me today. After a long day, the first thing I love to do is slip out of these heels and leave the outside world behind. And trust me, this video is going to be completely different from all the previous ones. So stay tuned till the end. You are in for something really special. Everything in its place, just the way I like it. Now, it's time to let go of everything. I gently open my bathrobe and hang it neatly on the rack, feeling lighter already. Then I reach for my soft towel, ready to wrap myself in comfort after the bath. Look at that beautiful tub. I've been dreaming about sinking into a long, warm, relaxing bath all day. But something's missing. That perfect touch of luxury and care for my skin. I've been waiting for that perfect skin softening, soul soothing soak. That's why today I'm showing you exactly how to make your own DIY bath salts. Simple, beautiful, and the way better than anything you can buy. So let's start making our own. Alright friends, our first ingredient is Epsom salt, 5 tablespoons. It's rich in magnesium and helps relax tired muscles while gently detoxifying your skin. Next, we add Himalayan Pink Salt and its chunks. Packed with over 80 essential minerals, it helps balance skin pH. Then we add a beautiful mix of dried flowers, rose, jasmine, and blue cornflower. Now, it's time to add some lavender essential oil. Oh my, the whole room is already smelling like pure lavender heaven. A few drops bring deep relaxation and help calm your mind and body. Now we mix everything well so the beautiful dried flowers of rose, jasmine, and blue cornflower are evenly distributed. They not only add a gorgeous visual touch but also infuse the salts with their delicate natural aroma for that extra spa-like feeling. You can store this DIY bath salt in a Ziploc bag or any airtight container. It stays fresh for up to 6 months in a cool, dry place. To use it in your bathtub, add the whole of this batch under running warm water and let it dissolve completely. Sink in and enjoy the relaxing soak. Don't worry if you don't have a bathtub. This video is not a waste. Stay tuned and I'll reveal a super useful alternate way to use these bath salts later. Now the bath salt is ready to go in the bathtub. And just see how happy she looks. Let's prepare the bathtub for her and empty the entire salts into the warm water. See how they dissolve beautifully, releasing that calming lavender and floral fragrance into the air. Using bath salts like these helps relax tired muscles, makes the skin soft, improve circulation, and create a spa-like calming experience at home. Now, she slowly lowers herself into the bathtub, completely lost in pure bliss and relaxation. This is what true self-care feels like. Now coming back to what I promised, the alternate use if you don't have a bathtub. Simply soak your legs in a basin of warm water. Add a scoop of these bath salts and let them dissolve. Your tired feet will relax instantly and the soothing effect will spread to your whole body thanks to magnesium and calming lavender. Okay, friends, thank you so much for joining in. Until my next video, please take a very good care of yourselves and stay radiant.